Alright class, welcome to Origami 101. Today we will be making the best paper airplane in the world. Okay, so for this build, you need a standard 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Our first fold will be from a corner, and we're going to fold it diagonally down. I messed it up. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so for our first fold, we're going to fold it diagonally down. It should look like this. Then, we're going to take this part right here and fold it all the way across. Now this is where it can get tricky. We have this area right here, alright? We are going to make a fold all the way across and end where that area ends, along the line. We're going to make a good crease here. It should look like this. Now we're going to fold this piece over this one until it can no longer be folded over. We're just going to make sure we make good creases every time. You should end up with a piece that kind of looks like a torch. We're going to have this little flap right here. Now with this flap, we're going to tuck it in to this little fold right here. It should end up like that. Now for the final step, it's very simple. All we're going to do is take the side where we just folded the flap and we're going to fold it over. Now the crease doesn't have to be perfect here, but try to make it as best as you can. And here's our paper airplane. Now the best ways to throw this is take the open side and pinch it together kind of towards the middle of the paper. And then when you throw, just throw it as far as you can. You've got yourself the best paper airplane in the world.